Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and watching video property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, areas and nearby attractions and landmark also. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room amenities, facilities and images, etc. Property. So you can see on the screen and check. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the property is excellent and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. All categories of in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already stayed in this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed to our channel yet, then you must subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so